we started by apologizing to His Excellency, the Deputy President. It was a very unfortunate incident. The second thing, let me say this, and I will say this to the women rep, because I've seen she has responded to the statement that I made. Honorable Purity Ngereche. That title called Honorable is earned. You're called Honorable because it is earned. And the people of Kirinyaga call you Mheshimiwa because you're supposed to have certain decorum. It is very, very unfortunate. And she cannot claim that she did not. Yet you can ask any leader in Kirinyaga. She admitted it. That before even the meeting we told her, we hear you're planning to do this. Please don't do it when the Deputy President is here. And I was not alone. So if she wants to challenge it, we have witnesses of where she said the reason why she thought she was mobilizing. And we said, please stand your people down. If you notice in that day, if there was only noise from her people, not from anybody else. The rest of us had gotten people to come and welcome the Deputy President. So it's very, very unfortunate. The question of whether these people are untouchable, whether Ngereche is untouchable, we want that question answered by the security forces. Because now we are hearing the security forces have started arresting our supporters who did nothing, and yet the people who had knives during that function, who were intimidating people, who were shouting, who are hooligans, no one has been arrested. Yes. We are telling them, yes, we are watching. And it's about time they stopped the nonsense. We will not sit as Kirinyaga people and watch our people being victimized while they are taking money from people who are protected because they have money. The question of are they untouchable, we want that answer from the people responsible for security in this county. And we will make a formal complaint. We will make a formal complaint both to the party and we will make a formal complaint also to the security sector that we want to see action taken. Because if you allow this to continue happening, then you push a county to where people start taking the law in their own hands. Yeah. And that is a direction we do not want to go. So we are asking the security forces to do what they need to do. They know who was responsible. They stop trying to victimize. And they need to tell us, are there people who are untouchable? So we can know, as Kirinyaga people, there are people who can do anything in this country and not be touched.
Hii nasema zima kama kuna cartels ya kisiasa, criminal which are metamorphosizing kuwa sasa political outfits. Kama ni lazima Deputy President akuone wewe unaweza fanya siasa Kirinyaga, sio lazima upangie watu wengine wakuja waharibu mikutano. Kwa hivyo hiyo tunakashifu na mimi sikufurahia hata kidogo. Tunataka maendeleo, sio mashindano ya kuharibu mikutano, matusi na kurushiana mawe.